Hey guys, this is James and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. This will be very short and simple video. Today I'm going to show you how you can color grade all the clips on your project panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. So sometimes we need to work with a lot of b-rolls or clips, right? So if you're working with product reviews, then you need to shoot a lot of b-rolls of that product. So when you are editing, you need to color grade the b-rolls one by one, especially if you're shooting the video using log profile or HLG profile. I usually use HLG3 to shoot my videos, so every time I need to color grade the b-rolls. You can actually color grade the b-rolls at once before you start editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, so that you will get a better idea when you are dumping the clips on your timeline, right? If you already color grade the video, then if you arrange the clip on timeline, it will give you a better preview. So go to the project panel, import the clip that you want to work with on this project. So I'm just clicking and dragging the clips here on the project panel. Now you can use one clip for reference. Just click and drag it to the timeline. It will make a new sequence. Then go to Lumetri color panel. If you don't see, go to window, then Lumetri color. And here you can color grade the clips. I'm using a color correction LUT, which is from Limming LUT. And then I'm just adjusting the highlights, shadows, whites and blacks a little bit. I can increase the sharpness a bit and I'll add some vibrance. So that's it. That is the color grade I want for my videos. Now how you can apply this color grading to the all clips on your project panel? Very simple. Go to effects control panel, then click on Lumetri color effect that you have already applied, and then click copy. Then go to the project panel and select all the clips that you have imported. Then just press Ctrl V. So here you can see all the clips have been already color graded. Now it is ready to work with, right? It will apply the color grading on the source instance, right? If I just click and drag it here, you can see there is no Lumetri color effect. But if I go to the source option, you will see the Lumetri color effect is here. So that's it. That is how you can color grade the b-rolls in Adobe Premiere Pro at once. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.